Alright, we're back to this monstrosity, getting some airflow from the little tiny 16 they had here that they had kind of ovaled out. That went to about here, and you see I'm putting an 18 in here that I'm going to oval, just like you see over there. That's 18 inches. If you look at my arm, from my arm sitting here, my elbow's touching there. As you can see, I still have a lot of clearance up there, and that will be 18 inches ovaled out instead of the 16 inch. So where I replaced the 16 inch over here, and I'm going 18 into 18, and I cut it out using the trusty little Melco. So that made quick order work of all that to cut that out. And now it's time. As you can see, I made cuts around here. Yeah, it would have been nice if I got the right one like that. But this is what they had down there at our local sheet metal guy, who was just a couple blocks away. And that's why I just took what they had, because I was there, and it cost me more in labor hours to go look for the right one than take for the one they have. Otherwise, this would be a $100 collar if I had to drive to another place. All right, so I'll oval that out and get it all attached. See you guys in a few minutes. So you get a shot from far away, so see what it looks like. All right.